Hey guys, happy Monday. We got another kit to look at. This is the Bantam Blast by MPC. There's the decal sheet. Looking for a date. I don't see one, but let's open the box. We got some real nice pad printed tires. Here's our chrome tree. Got some nice wheels. Our engine components. Put everything back in the bag so it don't get wrecked. Our metal axle. Get a real nice Auto World little booklet. Here's our instruction sheet. Not a lot of stages. There's that. Here's our frame. Our suspension pieces. Here's some more engine pieces, our exhaust, our seat. There's our grill, some bracing. Here's our little body. Our spoiler. I assume that's like the transmission tunnel. Let's take a look at the decals. Here's our really cool decal sheet. Bantam Blast in purple and red, flames, different numbers, contingency, sponsors. Pretty cool. Not much to it, really. Only like 4 or 5 trees. Yeah, so that's the MPC Bantam Blast. And while we're at it, I'll show you Little update on the Tamiya kit I'm building. Getting a spoiler put together so I can get that painted. Got the wheels on the chassis. They're curbside, so there's no motor. But the decals are white and red, so I figured I'd do it blue and make it like a patriotic. I thought it would look cool that way. But if you guys haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. And I will catch you in the next video. Later.